It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
And back to my channel, Jansa. On this session, I want to explain how to use the hand grinder property. Let's go. Hand grinding with cut grinding wheel. This hand grinding serves to cut the workpiece and can also split the workpiece. The part of the hand grinding machine are as follows. First, the power cable that functions as a link between the grinding machine and electric power. Second, the rotor which functions as rotating grinding part to rotate the grinding itself. Third, the stator which functions as a coil for generating electric current to rotate the color. Fourth, the grinding wheel holder the function as a place for the grinding plate to be gripped by the nut lock. 5. Jig handle which functions as handle for the operator when operating the hand grinding machine. 6. The grinding wheel that functions as the part that is the direct contact with the workpiece surface at the time of grinding.